During the turmoil of the pandemic and all the changes that are now becoming the new normal, one thing remains the same: the importance of ensuring our children are taken care of not only mentally and creatively, but physically as well. Baltimore City Public Schools, United Healthcare, and Kaboom have partnered to do just that.
With United Healthcare, our mission is to help people live healthier lives, and that includes children. And when you think about the future of our kids, they're still susceptible to, if they're not staying active, if they're not staying healthy, childhood obesity continues to be a concern. And certainly we know that obesity can turn to diabetes. And so when I think about, our underserved areas, particularly in Baltimore County, the ability to allow children to be active and out really, we can all remember starts with, a playground. And so through the efforts of Kaboom, United Healthcare, and Hamilton Middle Elementary School, we put out on a project to build a playground for the kids.
At Kaboom, they're asking the question of why some children have access to these play spaces and why others don't.
We asked that question in Baltimore, just as we are asking that question across the country. And our research in Baltimore showed that there are 39 elementary school play spaces that are not fit for play. And when play spaces are not fit for play, they're not fit for kids. So we can solve for this. For Baltimore, I'd mentioned earlier that we're on this long-term journey, and we are very fortunate to have these amazing partnerships who understand not only how critical infrastructure is for children and for communities, and want to give the access to play spaces to kids because of the outcomes that it can have on a child's life, but are also on the right side of this. And for us in Baltimore, we are 56% of the way there in terms of revitalizing, updating, rebuilding play spaces so they are fit for play and fit for kids. And we have a mission to complete that journey and achieve play space equity in Baltimore City schools.
Currently, the playground is open following the school's guidelines, but as we've witnessed, things have changed almost daily in terms of restrictions. What will remain the same, however, is that these playgrounds are a new place for kids to play and expand their imagination.